Alright, I'm going to try to fix this headlamp. I got the new parts from carparts.com, and so I'm going to have to take some of this apart. We'll see how it goes. That's a 10 millimeter. If you've never done this before, I recommend that you lay out the screws and stuff in a pattern that you're going to remember so you can put it back together. Some of these are plastic, so don't reef on them when you take them out. It's easier to get to if you take out the air box. So you just got to take this guy off. Alright, so the air box is held in with these grommets. And this, you know, it's 1998, so they've been in there for a while. It took a lot of effort to get that out. I had to pry it up. I tried a little soap and water. Yeah. Anyway, have fun with that. Getting that air box out. Alright, so here's what's left of the old assembly, and here's the new assembly. Two pieces. Alright, so the replacement went pretty good. What I would say is, if you've never done this before, which really I have never done this before, so take your time, keep track of where your screws go. You know, I mean, this was smashed in pretty bad, so that looks a lot better than it used to. And the other one's actually kind of foggy, but you know what? Changing those bulbs all the time because they kept getting wet was becoming a real, it was testing my patience. So I still have to put the air box back in. But you know what? It's cool. Good luck with it if you try to do this. The one thing I would tell you is that the screws for adjustment were hard to get to, and I stripped one of them out, so it could be me not knowing how to install it or what I was doing, but I got it good enough. So be careful with that, or it could just be really cheap metal. So, okay, there you go, man. At least it's done.